Hello everyone, in this video I'm share to all of you about how to make this wall shelf from this reference, based on this reference. First of all, we have to make the existing wall with using the rotated rectangle and start from here until here. Then we have to push it to the front around 200 millimeter about the wall thickness, and then we have to push it up until approximately 4 meter. Okay, then we have to triple click, right click, and make group. Okay, then we can using the okay we can using the tape measure tool and click from here until in the middle. Okay, then we can click again about the midpoint until this position around 1 meter, and from this point to the left until 1 meter. Okay, then we can try to click this step measure tool again from this position until this position. Okay, so we can get this the guideline. We can get the guideline from the tape measure tool, and also from this guideline that we have made before. We can use the 2-point arc. Okay, this tool we can use 2-point arc, and then we can click from this node and click in this intersection, and then we can drag to the up by typing the 64s. You can see about the bulge on the right bottom and the corner on the screen, and then enter, and then you can click in this position. Okay, so you can get the curvy wall. But I mean, I wanna fix this curvy to make the perfect, to make the more perfect start from this intersection until this intersection, this one, and then I have to make the line start from this intersection until this bottom, and then start from this intersection and until this bottom. Okay, so and after that, we can see about the reference that the bottom of the wall is flat. So we have to make the line right here, approximately in this position, and delete for unnecessary line. Okay, we can triple click this one. Sorry, we have to delete for the center plane right there by click this surface, right click and erase, and triple click and copy, and then we have to enter to this group of the wall, and then we have to edit and paste in place, and we can get the result about after we paste in place, and then we have to click this one and push it to the inside around 100 or 150 millimeter. Okay, and it's done, and also we can erase some unnecessary guideline, and then we can get this result of the wall that we have made before. So we can using the rotated rectangle start from here until here, and then we can drag to the bottom until 50. I'm sorry. We have to delete some unnecessary line before. We have to make the rotated rectangle start from here. Okay, start from here by following the green axis right there until this position, and then we have to scale to the another position. Okay, then we have to push it to the front around 500 or 400. I mean, it's enough. Then maybe we can push it down to make more thickness than before, and we have to move it to the another position, especially in this position, and maybe we can just push it to the another position. Okay, then we can move and duplicate it until this position. Okay, and we can duplicate again to the another side in this position. Okay, so we can just only assign with material with the wood, and okay, maybe this dark wood, and this is the result of we have made this wall shelf, and we can also adjust the floor to get a similar floor texture based on the reference in here. And also we can see about the result of the 3D modeling is similar with the based on the reference. Thanks for watching, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and see my tutorial in this channel in the next video. Thank you.